Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best Aquacheck is probably one of the most essential tools for any pool owner looking to maintain pristine water quality with minimal effort, offering a quick and accurate way to test your swimming pool's chemical balance right from your backyard. This device takes the guesswork out of water testing, providing reliable results that help you prevent common issues like algae growth, cloudy water, and irritation, ensuring a safe and enjoyable swimming experience for you and your family all season long. Number 5. AquaChek Yellow 4-Way Pool and Spa Test Strips. Introducing the AquaChek Yellow 4-Way Test Strips. They provide a simple and effective way to monitor your pool or spa's water quality. Each strip tests for pH, free chlorine, total alkalinity, and cyanuric acid. Get precise readings in seconds for a healthy swimming environment. With 50 precision test strips, you have enough for a full season. Enjoy reliable results from a brand you can trust, without any expired extras. AquaChek is the most trusted name in pool and spa water testing. You can count on these strips for quick and accurate results every time. These are ideal for maintaining your chlorine-based pool or spa. Ensure your water is always balanced and safe for swimming. What we like. This option provides precise readings for chlorine-based pools and spas. If you have a standard chlorine pool and want reliable, straightforward testing, this is a great choice. It offers a full season of testing with 50 strips, ensuring you're always prepared. What people say. The AquaChek is a great tool for testing water quality. It is easy to use and provides accurate results. The test strips are convenient and give a clear reading. Number 4. DoubleCheck Water Hardness Test Kit. Introducing the DoubleCheck Water Hardness Test Kit, designed for precise and reliable water hardness measurements. Get accurate results every time with our advanced testing technology. Each strip features 2 identical color pads for enhanced reliability. If the colors don't match after testing, you know to test again, ensuring trustworthy results. Achieve the most accurate results with the included sample cup. Simply fill it to the marked line for a perfect water sample every time. Get the best value with 200 strips in every box, offering the lowest cost per test. This kit provides an economical solution for all your water hardness testing needs. Our strips are individually wrapped in foils of 50, ensuring maximum shelf life. This prevents unused strips from degrading due to air exposure, keeping them fresh for longer. With dual desiccants, one in the cap and one at the bottom, these strips stay fresh longer. This dual protection effectively prevents moisture buildup, preserving their quality. What we like. This product is specifically designed for testing water hardness and comes in a large, cost-effective pack. If you're concerned about hard water issues or need a high volume of tests at a low cost per strip, this is ideal. The individual wrapping ensures longevity and freshness for extended use. What people say. The AquaChek is a great tool for testing water quality. It's easy to use and provides accurate results. I love how quickly the AquaChek gives me the readings. It saves me a lot of time compared to other methods. The design of the AquaChek is very user-friendly. The instructions are clear and the test strips are simple to handle. Number 3. AquaChek SPA 6-in-1 Test Strips. Introducing the AquaChek SPA 6-in-1 Test Strips, your all-in-one solution for spa water testing. Keep your spa perfectly balanced with ease. These strips test the most critical parameters for your spa: total bromine, total chlorine, free chlorine, pH, total alkalinity, and total hardness. Ensure your water is always safe and enjoyable. Leveraging advanced technology, our test strips provide accuracy comparable to liquid tests. Say goodbye to messy drops and potential errors for reliable results every time. Testing your spa water has never been easier. Simply dip a strip, wait 15 seconds, and get accurate results. Follow the included directions for maintaining healthy water chemistry. Each color pad is designed for optimal color vibrancy and to prevent bleeding. This ensures clear, easy-to-read results for maintaining healthy water chemistry. Enhance your testing experience with our free mobile app. Input your results to receive a tailored treatment plan and easily track your spa's water chemistry over time. What we like. This is tailored for spa owners, checking crucial parameters like bromine and total hardness. If you maintain a spa and want comprehensive, easy-to-understand results with the added benefit of a mobile app for tracking, this is the one for you. It simplifies spa maintenance significantly. What people say. The AquaCheck is a great tool for testing water quality. It is easy to use and provides accurate results. I love the design of the AquaCheck. It is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. The AquaCheck has a wide range of features that make it versatile. It can test for multiple parameters, including pH, chlorine, and alkalinity. Number 2. AquaCheck Select Connect 7-Way Pool and Spa Test Strips. Test the most critical water parameters with ease. Our strips check for pH, chlorine, bromine, alkalinity, hardness, and cyanuric acid. Experience accuracy comparable to liquid tests, thanks to technology from the medical industry. Say goodbye to messy drops and counting errors. Utilize our free mobile app with photo capture to interpret results. Get a tailored chemical treatment plan for your pool, eliminating guesswork. Just dip the strip, wait 15 seconds, and compare to the color chart. Testing your water twice a week ensures it's safe and balanced. Each color pad is designed with unique paper for optimal vibrancy and to prevent color bleeding. This helps maintain healthy water chemistry. What we like. This comprehensive kit offers 7-way testing and integrates with an advanced mobile app that uses photo capture for analysis. If you want the most detailed insights into your pool or spa's chemistry and appreciate smart technology for effortless management, this is the ultimate solution. It takes the guesswork out of water balance. What people say. The AquaCheck is a great tool for testing pool water. It is easy to use and provides accurate results. The test strips are convenient and give a quick reading. Number 1. AquaCheck Select 541640A Pool Test Strips. Easily test your pool water with these 7-in-1 strips. They measure critical parameters like pH, chlorine, bromine, alkalinity, hardness, and cyanuric acid. Experience accuracy comparable to liquid tests, thanks to technology borrowed from the medical industry. This means no more measuring or counting drops, significantly reducing the chance of errors. Take the guesswork out of pool maintenance. Our free mobile app uses photo capture to interpret your results and provides a personalized chemical treatment plan. Simply dip the strip in your water and compare the colors to the chart. Get accurate results in just 30 seconds, perfect for use with the Select Complete Kit. Ensure your pool is safe and clean by testing the water at least twice a week. The unique paper in each color pad optimizes vibrancy and prevents color bleeding for reliable readings. What we like. This is a refill option for those who already own the Select Complete Kit, providing 7-way testing capabilities. If you're looking to replenish your supply and continue using the smart app features for detailed water analysis, this is the perfect, convenient choice. It ensures you maintain optimal water quality without needing a whole new kit. What people say. The AquaCheck is a great tool for testing water quality. It's easy to use and provides accurate results. I love how quickly the AquaCheck gives me the readings. It saves me so much time compared to other methods. The design of the AquaCheck is very user-friendly. The instructions are clear and the test strips are simple to handle. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.